my name is Sarah DeSisto, and I'm going to be teaching you about animals for my Animal Adaptations project. You will learn about these animals: the elephant, the kangaroo, the giraffe, the flamingo, the cheetah, and the rhincophant, which I made up for our imaginary animal. This is the koala bear. It is an animal I did not research. This is the panda. I also did not research the panda, but I like both of the animals. Hi, I'm going to be teaching you about giraffes. An animal with a unique special feature is the giraffe. The giraffe's special feature is its long neck. Firstly, the long neck helps the giraffe by reaching plants on a tree. The giraffe's favorite plant is up higher on the trees, so the giraffe can reach it with its long neck. Also, giraffe's long neck helps it see predators from far away. This way, giraffes can be prepared to run and hide. Lastly, the giraffe uses its long neck to reach vegetation on trees because vegetation on trees is healthier than vegetation down low on the ground. This way, giraffes can be healthier and stay fit. I love giraffes. I'm going to be teaching you about elephants.
Camouflage is the octopus. Octopus uses camouflage by changing its colors to
An animal whose body has adapted to a warm environment is the elephant. An elephant adapts to a warm environment. Firstly, the elephant has large ears to use in a warm environment. I know that elephants can fan themselves with ears that big. Also, the elephant has its trunk to survive in a hot environment. The elephant takes water and sprays it on its back with its trunk. Lastly, the elephant has wrinkles on its body. The wrinkles on their skin help them retain moisture in their body. Elephants are very interesting. Now I'm going to be showing you about flamingos. An animal whose body has adapted to the food it eats or how it hunts is the flamingo. Firstly, flamingo's long neck helps it hunt for fish. The flamingo will reach deep into the water and pull out fish to eat. Also, the flamingo's bill helps it hunt for food. The bill of a flamingo is curved, and the curve is parallel to the bottom of the water where it hunts, and they can scoop up their fish, which is their food. Lastly, if the flamingo accidentally gets salt water in, their glands help. The glands will separate the water from the fluid. Flamingos have many useful adaptations. This is a flamingo's reaching deep down into the water to get fish. This is flamingos looking around for fish so they can reach deep sea. Right now I'm going to be teaching you about cheetahs. An animal that uses a camouflage is the cheetah. The cheetah's camouflage is its brown spots. Firstly, the adaptation helps with the cheetah because it helps it blend in with the tall grass. This way, it can sneak up on its prey. Also, if a cheetah runs really fast, it is hard to see. I think that it would look like a blur. Lastly, the spots help the cheetah hide from predators. The cheetah's predators can barely even notice them since they blend. I would not want to get too close to a cheetah. Now you will hear about kangaroos. An animal with a special adaptation related to how it cares for its young is the kangaroo. Firstly, the baby kangaroo is called a joey. Stays in the mother's pouch. I know that joeys are born without hind legs, so they can't walk. Also, when a joey is in its mother's pouch, it protects the baby. It is a much safer way to move around. Lastly, the joey stays in its mother's pouch until it is fully developed. This way, the joey can be safer since he or her wouldn't be able to walk yet. I think kangaroos are very interesting. I'm going to now be teaching you about my imaginary animal, the rhincofant. My animal, the rhincofant, has many physical adaptations. Firstly, it has a trunk. This is also what an elephant has, so it is part elephant. Also, it has a dog's body and 4 legs. This makes it very furry and fluffy since it's part dog. Lastly, it has rainbow stripes on its body and the koala's tail and ears. It also has the giraffe's long neck. The rhincofant looks very cool. The rhincofant, an animal whose body has many behavioral adaptations, is the rhincofant. Firstly, the rhincofant makes its own food, and it likes to eat fruit. The rhincofant makes sugar cubes out of the fruit sugar and makes it into a big block of sugar. Also, the rhincofant is a very happy animal. It is always happy because there is nothing to be sad about. Lastly, it protects itself and its young by hiding in trees and blending in. The rhincofant can also see predators because of its long neck. The rhincofant has many behavioral adaptations. This is the diagram of the rhincofant. It has its ears, which helps it hear strange noises or predators. It has its eyes, which helps it see fruit and see predators so it can run and hide in time. It has its trunk, which helps it make its food. It has its neck, which helps for the rhincofant to see when predators are coming. It has its tail, which helps warm or cool down its body depending on the temperature, and it has its legs, which help it stand up and walk around. Hi, my name is Sarah DeSisto, and I'm the scientist of this video. My name is Sarah DeSisto. I was born on July 15th, and I live in Medfield, Massachusetts. In my family, I have 2 older brothers and an older sister. My sister's name is Courtney. She goes to Fairfield University, and she is 18. One of my brothers' name is James. He goes to St. Sebastian's School. He is 17. My other brother's name is Matt. He also goes to St. Sebastian's School. He is 15. I also have a dog that is named Mandy. She is 3 years old, and she is a golden doodle. I love to play with my dog and with my sister. We always love to get on a couch and watch a movie with my dog. I love to play sports with my brothers and do all sorts of competitions. Sports have always been a big part of my life, and I love to play them. I also have always loved animals. The sports I currently play are soccer, lacrosse, swimming, and dance. I loved going up into New Hampshire in the winter and skiing. I also love camping. I like to swim at Cape Cod and mini golf there too. I go to Cape Cod sea camps with my friend, and I like to go to soccer camps. I dislike getting stung by bees. It hurts so much. I also dislike waiting for a long time. I hate getting up early in the morning. I love animals and taking care of them. I love trying science experiments.